MeghalayaPost.news.
St. Joseph Secondary School, Kawai ni Islam Ajingkai, Kabadan Hakasnong Mawleiñ Mawkhan, Bhoi District, Negasngi, Kalapan Waino, Yakalumpung Ilekai Sports, Lanik Annual Sports Meet, Kabajupulong Shisin Shisnam, Hakabaki Khynnah Skul, Kila Shimenta Shidhem, Hakajingakop, Prepare, Kibakantop, Yakajingakop, March Pass, Mass Drill, Kajingakop Mare, Kajingakop Tantalai, Bakiwikiwi. Yakatei kabala yo ban penyelekai berosteo lawan penhap perdana Yakala Skul du additional SP kari Bhoi u Elgar Kongsan harikat kejingdan lang ki weibat ki Heh Pulit ki bakantop UOC ke Umyam Police Station uba ki si liwat ke Musumbut Kongsan berkakong J Merthong. Nalor ki Heh Pulit lai don lang ru du ba ti makri rang ba snong Mawleiñ Mawkhan ba Gilbert nongrom principal ke skul ki nohi kai ki Khynnah Skul lembat ki kimi khpa. Hagani ke singi na galeng kakong J Merthong ke Heh Pulit no Umyam Police Station kelapan syai halor ka An Pokso Act kaba kaan kaba ajing ada kerpang na banta ki khulung Khynnah akaba kalapan seluruh wakinwan sekhmat banujor seki pulit nish ki bala he lasan lada don kano gejing sha leben ni ban ben ki khulung Khynnah
ki kai thi bat sakawai nga kwa ban pensai hang ni mo ka school St. Joseph hadu kat menta ngai kalau long ka bala kapnya sisai te nginum tu jingkerman kumanga dong yalam juga senong ngin yale ngin yaksat kumno ban penyo habede kapit kabiang jong school yang mentang kumbala ongi principal managini ki por baladep ngimno chu ban shim ban priang admission sipun nomor ka school kalau long ka bakapnya kalau long ka barit te henry ngadon ke jingkerman ba tharai ka sarkar kan phai khmat lem kan pej lem habede ya ka school hapo snong ga jongi ka St. Joseph mo haduk kat mentang pej sibun ki jingtuna ka fencing ka empat biang ki kamera school ki ai baro ngi ki empat biang te ndai kata kasyong ka ba uplay ni alam lenti lam ya kumno bangan le propose lang sajrong lani bangan ya keren lang sajrong bakin phai khmat lem sani ka school ka badan hapo snong ga jongi bagan habaga ngenyo haba ki Khynnah kinyo ban penot kam haga ba pet ka biang mo tengah kerengan ngakerman skam nakaliang jonga bat kumjuru hakajing trelang bat principal hakini kisgi ki ban sawan ni lej ban yawat kilat kilinti bangin ya bangin yo ya taga school ka bapura mo manakini ki por ka beladep nila ya hi showroom seneng nila bo hi ki kot kisla bade office kata ka sanction mal upgradation ladukan mata ngim padon ni te nginang yai putien ya kata mo principal wa kan bet kan biang ka sekolah po snong po tau jongi
dia kalau tau dah kini kaan haus 6,000 khatal banyada yaki hak jong ki Khynnah naki kam thombor kini kaan kalong ka bat pendukeng pha bat lada lap ya ki badan unsha punistom kat kum ki kendon jong kaan te khniat ki kendon an ki bedai wa kani ka poksu ai umbet ban ya shongkha ya ki Khynnah kenthai ki bahapo ka khat prasnam karta wat lada phi ya man ne ya man min jur lang ru nim la ban le ai nomor ka an hi kam sha lem kumta ya ki ta ki bangi yo lap kinsha set along le sha set putok dunaya ka nyusnam umbet ban pen I ne ring dul ne pen sapriang kamu ban share ya ki dul jaklia haki Khynnah ki bahapo ka khatprasnam karta kumta unsha set along ne set putok dunaya ka laisnam bat pin sha dan kunaru umbet ban kata klamakor ya kamet kaphat jungi Khynnah hapo ka khatprasnam karta kumta unsha set along ha ya ka bang duna ya ka sansnam bat ka dan kuna kikimi kikpakim dei ban pin shlor ki Khynnah ban ya shongkha ki khun ki bedang hapo ka khaprasnam karta namar kani kadau kabun kini ki kies jing armet Khynnah bat lada ni yo jingtep na ki hospital ngim ban si ban hap sim kies bat usunrang un sa kem lada kilayamon lang ru nim la lei ai namar ngi syate haka an sakawai ka jinglap jungi kalong ba bun kini kina kibayo brio hapo khat prasnam kata bun ki khilung jong ki kimju em ki yapna por bakhahi number ba kamat jong ki tu ki khna kenthai ka danglum ti bun kum kini ki sungi shay lam kum ki kimi ki pa kimdei ban ye kini ki khun ki blang ret marwai hayeng bat ki brio ki bam la itho la ni shania khamtam ye kitu ki ba ki bayo pana ma hikai ye ki khun ki badang ret kanu ka ta ka good touch ka ba kamut karukom kta ka babha bat ka bad touch karukom kta klamakor pide ban hikai ki khun joki ba karukom kta jong ki breu kalong ka ba klamakor ani ka babha kimi ki pa kimne ban pha shang trei bla ye ki khun kenthai bat ki breu ki bam bat ithu ithau bha bat lani ki bam bim ishania jingte sapang kanu ka jingjad sabat bor ki knaret pidebal pente budwot saka saki bahe ki kimi kepala ni sha kiram basnong kenama kini yo pente saki pulit bat baki kenama kanum ja ka sabut satal
tim thaj khna thanem na thajong bu pulikot bet dan kam iga ban dan kam ki sports kumne bani lakai depi yo kilat kumne bani lakai ki sports pi lalu ke stress ko pi dan hagi jupuli ki jong pi ki kot ki sla ki jong pi la ban kam la ship benta pi la klet na ane la yo ban refresh ye kita ka main ki jong pi ye jemut jemut khat ki jong pi la ban start biang depi la lek biang ki school na dep ki sports la biang ban start biang renew energy la ban hagi jupuli ki jong pi. And then apart from sports, what is the most important thing about PE bottom kam tam? Kada hi jupule juputim den den. Ang ndai ta ka sports ro jupule juputi ke bottom kam. Ta ka sports ro kada hi sibantaro ka ai jing rap ka ai mentare ka ai bah ya ka lat kalanti bapin na pisim kum karyana pinsim kum nomor bon ki sports player fi nangi naga state jong ila bon grami sakmat. Kamtam haga football play bon bahag lami man ganero na iyang nag school mungkin pitibang mungkin school kidan gitu la represent yung state kila kai sodo sa Paris na sa ito te ko France te kata daw kawa pila ban hagjo ko pari ke sports fi shim lang if you concentrate hagjo ko pari jug play jong film never let pat jug play na pinang ban divide ye ka por ki jong pi ta ka daw ka IP ka perlong ka IP ka discipline ha ka jing ki jong pi ipilong discipline ka routine ki jong pi mana ka si pi divide ka por jong pi ka por puli kot ka no baje ka por la ka sports ka no baje pi yo ta ka jikot jing khia bat ka jumu jam khat ka ba bha ba paka pi like ni kam snu barakot.
As I was telling my officers, the march past which you did is so much better than the march past which we do. So a huge round of applause for everyone. Especially the boy who was standing here, who was giving the command. The clarity in his voice and the volume in which he spoke was really good. I was very impressed with it. Congratulations. The importance of things like the drill which you did right now, or the march past which you did. The importance is that it teaches us patience. Now, for example, you have been standing here for almost half hour, right? And all of you are still attentive. You are still listening to what we are saying. This encourages and teaches you on how to be disciplined. When someone gives a command and the entire platoon, everyone listens and follow that particular command, it teaches us leadership, right? How do you control the people who are under you? How do you control your team? And when everyone moves together, right? Everyone's hand is moving together, everyone's face is moving together, it teaches us team spirit and camaraderie. Like it's like playing football or it's like playing cricket. The entire team has to move together, right? March past and drill teaches you that particular thing. So again, congratulations, very, very happy with the march past and with the drill which you did. And respected principal sir, as you requested, whenever you need next time, we'll ensure that we'll send some police officers who are good in march past so that they can train the students over here. We'll be more than happy to do it. Second, I want to give credits to the school staff for organizing such a beautiful sports function. Education we all do, books we all read, and that is important. But games is also important. As the officer before me mentioned, games, we all know, right? It helps us to relax. After we come back from our schools, we go and play outside with our friends, our mind gets relaxed, right? Or we get to talk to our friends who are not in the school, who are outside. So it helps us to relax our mind. But now, games are not only for relaxing. Games, you can also make your careers in games, right? All of you know Meghalaya Games, right? Did anyone from here participate in the Meghalaya Games, which happened in Jawai? Right? So, the government is doing sports competitions so that we can identify good sports people and we can train them in sports. Who knows, tomorrow, some of you may be participating in Meghalaya Games. In 2 years' time, the national games, where athletes from all over the country will come to Meghalaya, right? Who knows, some of you might be participating in those games. And by God's grace, there might be some of you who might be participating in Olympics, right? You have heard of the Olympics, right? It happens outside in some other country, and the best athletes of the world come and participate in it, right? So there might be one of you who might train, who might become a good sports person, and you might be bringing glory to the state and to the country by participating in the Olympic Games. Anyone who wants to participate? Anyone who wants to participate in Olympic Games or National Games? Yeah? Good. One additional thing which I would like to mention is that during our training as police officers, they not only teach us how to read and write, but they teach us a lot on games and physical activities. Because games and physical activities, they help us to remain active. If we have to do duty for such long hours, right? It's only if we are physically fit that we can perform our duties, right? And hence a lot of focus is given on our training for games, physical activities, drill, and all of those things, right? So remember that whatever you're doing today, it will help your character, it will help you develop as good citizens and good people of the state and the country.
Green, blue, yellow, run!
MeghalayaPost.news.